Hi, this is Lee from jawphysio.com.au. A lot of my clients have neck pain, jaw pain, headaches and migraines, and as they're having treatment they forget that they should be careful with their bodies and not load them up so much. So one of the big things that aggravates necks and headaches and migraines is lifting a weight from a distance away from your body. The number one thing is lifting a heavy kettle. So don't fill your kettle up all the way up to the top, just do a little bit of water, and rather than reaching from a distance, pull it closer to you before you go to pour a cup. Just be gentle with the body, and you can use both hands or the side that's not sore. Thanks very much.